Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can view your past order on a McDonald's app. In this video, I will guide you step by step process to view your past order on a McDonald's. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your McDonald's application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in that. Now you can see the page of McDonald's. In that you can see at the down different icon are there. So select between one icon in which it is written like AMC delivery. Tap on that. So again you can see the different icon. In that you can see home, menu, search and my McDonald's. Tap on that three horizontal one. Tap on that. Now you can see your profile page for that McDonald's delivery. In that you can see different options are there like manage payment, address book and all. Inside that you can see here my orders. Tap on that. So in this you can see your history, at which time you order and everything you can see here, date, time, everything you can see in this. So in this way you can view your order on that McDonald's app. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.